Hi there, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing the walk around video of the 420i Msport GRAN COUPE here at Your Next Car. So of course, as always, we're going to begin with the walk around the exterior of the car, whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then we'll make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there, we will of course go through some of the interior features. The exterior is presented in the Glacier Silver, and of course we've finished that off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels added to the vehicle, and they are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and all the way around the vehicle they have got the Pirelli P0 tyres. This vehicle also comes equipped with the Msport Plus pack. What you get on that is the much larger front and rear end brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and the heated Dakota leather, and of course we'll take a close-up look at that as we go around the car. At the front you notice is a 66 reg Angel Iron and Xenon headlamps. You get the very nice gloss black air breathers. We've also got the privacy glass, as I've mentioned, as part of that plus pack, and sitting behind those very nice 442M alloy wheels is the M brake package, as we've mentioned, which not only are much larger, they do add to brake efficiency thanks to the compound of brake pad that is used on the M brake package. Interior, we have the very nice black Dakota leather, which in the front, along with the electric heated function, we've also got the electric lumbar adjustment. There is that superb Harman Kardon surround sound, and the interior trim is the brushed aluminium and high gloss black. Moving on to take a glance at the rear seats, where of course you get the Isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest and the wonderful Msport black headlining. Making our way to the rear of the car, where we find the high gloss black rear boot spoiler and satin diffuser. This vehicle is also equipped with a rear facing reversing camera, which of course when we step inside we'll take a look at. GRAN Coupes do come with a very large boot space, one of the largest for the vehicle of its class, and of course that can be made even larger thanks to the fact we do have a split folding seat function. Moving on around to the other side of the car, we'll just take a second to appreciate how well the Glacier Silver and Black of the Mperformance body styling kit all work together. One last little look at the 19-inch alloys before I step inside the car to take you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail and give you a good look around. The vehicle also has the power fold mirror function, which of course can be controlled just using the button down here, and of course using your lock button on the key fob. Now we're inside the vehicle, we'll go ahead and start the car up. On board is the professional wide navigation and media screen. It comes equipped with, of course, navigation function. Media-wise, you get DAB and a wide array of multimedia functions. Bluetooth for not only telephone as well as audio. And this vehicle has just been to BMW for a major service and has got full BMW service history, as you can see there on the screen. It has only covered just over 38,000 miles, and the last service was at 35898. And there you can see it was a major service, including all of the filters and the spark plugs, which is great news for any potential next owner of the car, as it does mean the next service is a very basic oil and oil filter change, and that's not due for 17,000 miles. Dual climate control, heated front seats, as you can see there, which we've already mentioned. We have got the 7-speed auto, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume control, all on that lovely multi-function Msport steering wheel. So that will be the walk around for the very nice 420i Msport GRAN COUPE. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, there will be a link to our website should you require any further information regarding pricing and finance options for this fabulous car and all of our others. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.